What a incredible day today. The market up over 2% today. S&P 500 closed right around 450. Okay, I was talking about this level in yesterday's video, and in yesterday's video I went through a lot, and in this video I have a lot to talk about because we hit that level of support. I also mentioned that on Twitter, so make sure to follow me on Twitter. So overall, I have a lot to go over. TQQQ is up over 14%, alerted on all the Discords, as well as made a video on YouTube. So if you guys do enjoy content like this, make sure to leave a like, subscribe with notifications, and let me know in the comments, what you guys are playing for tomorrow. So taking a look at SPY, we had a incredible day. This is mostly to do with us breaking out of the downtrend. We also hit our price target, and I covered this in the last yesterday's video. That was our major level of resistance. So around 450 is right where we closed at, and pretty much we just kept running. Now taking a look at SPY, okay, we have officially broken the downtrend. We have officially broken it yesterday. But the main thing I want to look at is now, are we going to come back? Because if we're going to come back, it's going to be very bullish, very bearish. So as long as if we are above 428.51, we are doing good. Okay, so one thing that I want to keep you guys prepared is if the market does drop for some reason, because again we have a lot of earnings that I'm gonna go over here in a second. We just need to hold this level. Okay, 428.51 is going to be our major level. Now UVXY, okay, the fear index has officially closed below the support. Okay, so that was a very nice sign, and overall we are having a clear direction in the markets right now. We're looking to go back and reverse to all-time highs, and everything is looking very nice. Again, personally, I am playing this reversal and run up with TQQQ. So with options, theta, it's such a headache, and calls are very cheap. These shares are very cheap, and you guys can actually wheel a triple QQQ. So overall, this just moves 3 times faster than QQQ, which is the tech ETF. Taking a look at QQQ, we're taking a look at 367.24 around our resistance level. Now, overall, the next thing I want to see on the overall market is to just rest. Okay, we need some rest or consolidations, or we could just straight up go to all-time highs. Now, one thing I want to show you guys is, first of all, we have earnings. Okay, we have a lot of earnings coming in for tomorrow. So over here, okay, let's take a look at the main earnings for tomorrow, for Tuesday. On Tuesday, we have Google reporting earnings. We have PayPal reporting earnings, AMD, Starbucks, EA. So a lot of earnings are going to be reporting tomorrow, and it is going to be very interesting on how the market reacts. The only uncertainty right now are those earnings for tech. We can scroll down on Wednesday. We have Facebook, Qualcomm, T-Mobile, and a lot of these companies are reporting earnings. We scroll down a little bit more. On Thursday, we have Amazon. So definitely the main uncertainty right now are going to be earnings. So that is what, I'm being very careful here. So if we actually scroll up, okay, if my bot is any on the servers that I alert for, we got in shares around 54.92 for triple leverage QQQ. And we're up over 12% now from our gains. So the thing about shares is, again, the risk to reward was very nice. If I actually take a look at TQQQ, we broke out of the downtrend, but I really like playing triple leverage QQQ because we can see that if we do go to all-time highs, that would be a 74% gain on just shares. Okay, so this is why I want to do triple leverage QQQ, and again, we're not going to be having any theta. So that is what I really like to play triple leverage TQQQ. So overall, that is really all for that. Other than that, most of the blue chip stocks just broke downtrend, which was very, very, very nice. Tesla was the main one. This thing was up over 10% today, and again, this was on yesterday's weekly watch list video, and it already gapped up at market open, and I didn't want to chase it. It just kept going on, and it was just incredible. We can take a look. It just kept bear flagging, and it was just incredible. Taking a look at the daily, we closed above the resistance, so Tesla looks amazing. Around 900, 1000 looks good for Tesla. We did gap up, and this is called a kind of like a breakaway gap, because we're kind of breaking the downtrend. So this is a breakaway gap that we don't have to actually fill on Tesla. Now, with Tesla, I will be watching NIO, because again, electrical vehicle companies, they're gonna move together. So what I'm taking a look at is NIO. Okay, I'm taking a look. NIO has a pretty nice gap around this area. This was not a earnings gap. I'm not sure what caused this gap, but this is a small enough gap where I can actually play calls on over here. So taking a look at NIO, it's also going to be a very, very cheap play, because premiums are pretty cheap on NIO compared to Tesla. So overall, and I'm taking a look at NIO, we have this very nice gap, looking to enter in around 25.79, price target 27.48. So NIO is going to be a very, very interesting one, especially since we did get some decent volume today coming in for NIO. Walmart, another one on the weekly watch list, bounced off very, very nicely, and Bank of America also looking to break downtrend. So overall, the market looks incredible. Okay, we had this coming. We bought in at the bottom, and the best times are after the correction, because people are going to be buying in the dips, and we have a ton of confirmation from a volume to 200 EMA. And everything is really, really making sense. My only concern is going to be earnings. Now, one thing to keep in mind is, tomorrow is the day. Tomorrow is February 1st. Now, what that means is usually, February 1st usually means, we have CPI coming in, at the start of the month. So if you actually take a look at the economic calendar, we take a look at the economic calendar. Let's remove this. We actually have CPI next week. So next week, February 10th, usually we have CPI, 10th of every month. So on 10th, we're going to be having CPI. I'm going to be making a video on this. Since CPI comes out every single month, it tracks inflation, I've decided to just make a very, very, very nice video on CPI, which I will be releasing next week. So overall, that is it basically for the whole market. Bank of America is going to be on watch tomorrow at market open, and then we have Tesla. Those are going to be the two main plays. Overall, I'm going to be chilling in with triple leverage QQQ, because I love just swinging shares. There's nothing to worry about. No, stress. Risks to reward is going to be completely worth it, because we got in right at the bottom for shares. So I'm loving this play. Gonna have the stop loss at break even. And overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys tomorrow at the market open. I'll be working on again, the CPI video, but this is going to be a very, very highly edited video, one of those videos where I put in a lot of time. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys tomorrow at market open. Looking to alert some plays, hopefully Bank of America, and overall, bye-bye.